Ani Kinawea, this is Kenzie coming at you. I'm just trying out a new addition to the camera, and it's called a DJI mic. So we're just playing with that right now. I'm going to do a little test run here just to check out the sound. So I'm gonna it's on the gimbal right now, and I want to test to see just how the sound works. So 1, 2, 3, 5 feet, 10 feet, 15 feet. I wonder if the sound is coming in. 15, 20 feet, 20 feet, 30 feet, and 35 feet, right here against the wall. 35, testing my sound. I hope it's coming in clear. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go this way now. Testing my sound, testing my sound. Sorry about this, people, good people. I just got to test the sound on this microphone, wireless microphone. I hope it's coming in clear. I try to keep my voice at the same volume. Alrighty. So that's what's happening here. Yeah, we just had our fire, our sacred fire there. And we're still trying to catch some wind on this microphone. It's clipped to me. I'll show you. This is what a wireless microphone looks like. Alright, let's try to get that in zoom. That's what a wireless microphone looks like that. So, alright, I'm going to go and check this video out and see how it sounds on live Facebook. Miigwech, and talk to you soon.